This is early on in the decarbonising journey for most of the buildings in London. A lot of what we're doing is new, working with lower temperatures and existing heat emitters and existing cooling systems. So the key benefits to us of using Victaulic on this project were the fact that it requires no hot works, there are no emissions, and it can be reused.
It's a cost-effective way of installing pipework. It's the same pipework that you would install welded. If you install it grooved, it's a faster, easier way of installing it.
Temporary cooling system was all installed in Victaulic due to the flexibility of the product. So then once we had temporary cooling in place, we could then work our way through the building, altering the pipework.
We were able to temporarily build sections of pipework and then relocate them to other parts of the building. And we were able to do it in a completely dry fashion with no welders.
The beauty of Victaulic is that we can manufacture correct lengths and sizes on site. You can do it so much quicker and cheaper. It's been a really good product for this type of installation. Our operatives are fully trained in Victaulic installation.
At the start of each project, we'll always be involved for training. As the project progresses, we do more training to make sure that everyone's happy and confident with what's going on.
Any minor alterations are very easily accommodated on site.
Here with Victaulic, we can remove the pumps that are behind us without removing tremendous sections of pipework. It's tremendously reliable.